Hello, let's talk today about the benefits of cashew. Is cashew good? Find out if it's worth consuming cashews in your day. And its 13 health benefits of cashews and cashews. Cashew is often thought of as the fruit of the cashew tree, Anacardium occidentale, when, in fact, it is a pseudofruit. What we popularly understand as cashew consists of two parts: the fruit itself, which is the chestnut, and its floral peduncle, the pseudofruit, has a pyriform, yellow, pink or red body. Hello friend, we want to have as much information as possible to help people who have health problems or other reasons in their emotional life and to have good health and where the change in our healthy eating begins, which many are unaware of its benefits. Thank you very much and help this knowledge reach these people. Greetings and welcome to Nature of the Amazon channel. I ask you to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge. And let's go by video. Etymology. In the Tupi language, acayo, cashew, means nut that is produced. In oral tradition it is known that acayo or acaiu refers to the year, since the indigenous people counted the age at each flowering and harvest. Planting. The land for planting cashews should be slightly sloped to avoid erosion, deep, with at least 2 meters of earth, well drained, so as not to pond. The soil should be fertile and of medium texture, muddy, and preferably close to a source of potable water. When choosing the seeds, place them in a basin with water, and discard any that float. The seeds have a germination power of up to 12 months if stored in cloth or paper bags. The planting should be carried out at the beginning of the rainy season, and before replanting the seedling in the definitive location, it must be verified that the plant has at least 6 mature and healthy leaves. Scientific classification. Kingdom, plant. Phylum, Tracheophyta. Class, Magnoliopsid. Order, Sapindales. Family, Anacardiaceae. Genre, Anacardium. Species, Western A. Binomial name: Anacardium western. The pseudofruit and fruit, properties and processing. Cashew tree fruiting in the municipality of Cascavel, Serra, one of the major cashew producers in the state. The cashew, the pseudofruit, is juicy and rich in vitamin C and iron. After the cashew processing, juices, honey, sweets are prepared, such as cashew nuts, cashew raisins, cashew brown sugar. As its juice ferments quickly, it can be distilled to produce a calm brandy. Non-alcoholic beverages such as cashew are also made from it. Long before the discovery of Brazil and before the arrival of the Portuguese, cashew was already a staple food for indigenous populations. For example, the Tremembe already fermented cashew juice, the mocararo, which was and is drunk at the Torum ceremony. There is a huge variety of dishes made with cashew and cashew nuts. From its fibers, residue/bagasse, rich in amino acids and vitamins, mixed with seasonings, cashew meat is made. Fruit with pseudofruit. The fruit itself is hard and oleaginous, better known as cashew nut, whose seed is consumed after the fruit is roasted, to remove the skin, naturally, salted or roasted with sugar. The extraction of the cashew nut kernel after drying is a process that requires time, method, and manpower. The method of extracting the cashew nut kernel used by the indigenous people was their direct roasting in the fire, to eliminate the liquid of the cashew nut or LCC. After cooling, break the shell to remove the almond. With industrialization, this method has more stages: washing and humidification, cooking, cooling, shell rupture, stewing. Cashew nut kernels are rich in fiber, protein, minerals, magnesium, iron, copper and zinc, vitamin K, vitamin PP, B complex, vitamin B12, carbohydrates, phosphorus, sodium and various types of amino acids. However, cashews lack relevant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin D and calcium. Cashew nuts are believed to help fight heart disease. Unripe cashew nuts, maturi, can also be used in hot dishes. The chestnut has a double shell containing the toxin urushiol, also found in poison ivy, an allergen that irritates the skin. This is why the nut must have its shell removed through a process that causes painful cracks in the hands. The chestnut also has anacardic acid, potent against bacteria gram-positive such as Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus mutans, which causes tooth decay. The cashew nut liquid or LCC, after being processed, is used in resins, friction materials, in brake linings and other byproducts, varnishes, industrial detergents, insecticides, fungicides and even biodiesel. From Brazil to Africa and Asia. A native fruit of Brazil, cashew was taken by the Portuguese from Brazil to Asia and Africa. The oldest written description of the fruit is by André the Vet, in 1558, comparing it to a duck egg. Subsequently, Mauricio de Nassau protected the cashew trees by decree, and made his jam reach the best tables in Europe. It is widely cultivated in the tropical regions of America, Africa, and Asia. The world's largest exporters of cashew kernels, ACC, are India, Vietnam, and Brazil. The 8 health benefits of cashew. Cashew is one of the richest fruits in vitamin C. In addition, it is also extremely tasty. Therefore, it has 8 benefits that benefit health. 1. Strengthens the immune system. According to studies, in addition to being rich in vitamin C, cashews are also a source of zinc. This mineral is important for strengthening the immune system. The fruit can fight colds and flu. 2. Protect the heart. Due to the low fat content of cashews, the fruit is recommended to keep your heart health in great condition. In addition, it helps to reduce triglycerides that increase the incidence of heart disease when they are high. 3. Helps prevent the fight against cancer. Cashews contain a flavonoid called proanthocyanidin. It helps to inhibit the development of tumors and prevent the growth of cancer cells. The fruit has lycopene and beta-carotene, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Thus, it collaborates with the prevention of some types of cancer, such as breast, prostate, and lung cancer. 4. Brings benefits to the skin and hair. Cashews are rich in copper, which gives pigment to hair and skin. At the same time, it is also able to make them more lush and beautiful. The antioxidants present in the fruit help protect the cells. In this way, they fight premature aging and maintain a youthful appearance for longer. 5. Helps with physical exercises. Cashew is an excellent ally for athletes who do resistance exercise. This is because the fruit is rich in branched-chain amino acids. According to these amino acids increase the ability to use fat as an energy source. As a result, they improve physical capacity. 6. Helps with weight loss and constipation. The fruit has fibers that help to delay hunger, since they prolong satiety and contribute to weight loss. Fibers contribute to correct intestinal transit. Thus, they reduce constipation. However, it is necessary to be careful, because like any food, cashew can get fat if consumed in excess. 7. Helps fight type 2 diabetes. Cashews do not contain large amounts of sugar. Its soluble fibers allow for slower digestion of carbohydrates, not raising blood glucose very quickly. Diabetics should be aware of the amount consumed daily, since it has sugar content in the fruit. 8. Fighting anemia. To complete, cashew is rich in iron, a mineral responsible for increasing red blood cells that carry oxygen in the body and is effective in combating anemia. Nutritional information. Roasted cashews per 100 grams. Nutritional information %DV, *. Calories, energy value, 609.00 kilocalories 30.45%. Net carbs 26.40 g. Carbohydrates 26.40 g 8.8%. Proteins 19.60 g 6.53%. Total fat 47.20 g 85.82%. The benefits of cashew nuts. 1. Improves memory. Cashew nuts contain selenium, which acts as an antioxidant micronutrient. That is, it prevents the damage caused by free radicals to brain cells. At the same time, cashews also contain vitamin E, which helps prevent diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 2. Combating hypertension. Cashews contain monounsaturated fats that lower triglyceride levels and helps to improve circulation and lower blood pressure. 3. Has anti-inflammatory properties. Chestnut has magnesium, which in addition to helping to fight high blood pressure, also reduces body aches, headaches, migraines and muscle fatigue. 4. Prevents heart problems. They are sources of omega-3 and fatty acids, such as cashew nuts, are able to fight heart problems. Because of its content of mono and polyunsaturated fats, fiber and antioxidants, the nut also helps in increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and in the reduction of LDL, the bad cholesterol, which also helps in the heart disease prevention. 5. It can prevent osteoporosis. Cashew nuts are a source of calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are important for strengthening bones and preventing osteoporosis. Despite its many benefits, cashews should be consumed in moderation. That's because it's very caloric. It is recommended not to exceed 30 grams, that is, 5 units or 165 kilocalories. Give preference to roasted chestnuts, but without salt. Did you like the nature of the Amazon channel? I ask you again to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the nature of the Amazon channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge, and I say goodbye hereby.